Vanjot Nis asks what the machine learning course is about. The ML course is going to be an introduction to machine learning for designers. We need to define the outline. That's the first part of the project. And then we need to record it and produce the material. The material that I'm producing is an introduction to machine learning. So like the basics of how you get into the mindset of thinking about machine intelligence, because it's not intro to machine learning for designers, it's intro to machine intelligence for designers, AI and ML. And it's about thinking about the high level understanding of what machine intelligence means on the creative field and for designers, then getting hands-on into some of the frameworks like maybe Keras and TensorFlow and PyTorch, as learning how to do math or do some computational stuff with that, and then start using models that might have a visual output or some influence on design outcomes or on things that you're designing. I've been doing a lot of machine learning with my own sketches, so that is on the live stream on previous videos. So if I take a look at the channel, we can see those videos, clips, tutorials, up. Yeah, maybe I don't have those videos cut yet, but there is this live stream. Hi everyone, this is not, well, I think you can hear these things. And this is actually because I'm seeing your comment here on the side. He says, will you be venturing into GANs specifically for image generation? Yes. So this is some work that we've already done on the channel. I trained StyleGAN with my sketches dataset. So we trained it with many sketches from here. And we try to generate images and do custom transitions. We have also another exploration here that has to do with portrait morphing. You can go back to this is live stream 18. There you have my master's thesis at the Harvard Graduate School of Design. This talks a lot about the conceptual background of some of the efforts that I've been doing around using GANs for sketching and drawing. And I want to try to build upon this project, basically. Maybe not exactly with the same UI. We're going to try to think about how the UI is going to be. So that will be part of the course, and probably we'll have some hands-on recordings, part of the collaborative AI sketching platform project. And you can go to that URL that I put there. You can see this page. It's actually also has presentation mode if you use the arrows, and which I had forgotten. But yeah, we created different filters here to go from edge drawings to textures. And I intend to do not only this, but use other algorithms like maybe SketchNN or virtual sketching, which we saw last week. Does this answer your question? I hope it does. Fun to think of new UI for collaborative sketching. Yeah, that's what we need to do. And hopefully time is limited, but hopefully we can think of new paradigms of interaction, and people can build their own components or propose different components on what we're going to be building. My intention is that we'll be laying out or talking about topics and contents together in some way, right, for the people who connect here and are at the Discord server, and choose the topics that are going to be covered on the live stream and on the ML course. My intention is to create a course that anyone who's a designer or a creative and wants to learn how to manipulate their art or their projects with AI can do that. Okay. And yeah, you can stick with us if you want to learn more about the other projects. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.